A very good morning, students. All of you, very good morning to you all. Okay, in last lecture, we have seen student about the prejudices and about the stereotypes. Okay, prejudice and stereotypes we have seen. Okay, so in this topic, students, we are going to take the topic inequality and discrimination. Okay, inequality and discrimination. Okay, inequality it means what, student? Inequality it means not to treat all the people equally. Okay, not to give equal opportunities to them. Okay, not to treat them equally. These all included in inequality. Okay, these all the things included in inequality. Okay, then one more thing, that is discrimination. Then in last period I already told you about the discrimination and about the meaning of discrimination. Okay, discrimination it means to make partiality. Okay, not giving the equal opportunities to all. Okay, it means if we biased to any one person. Okay, or other way, in simple word you can say, to do the favoritism, to make favor on any one person, that is called discrimination. Okay, and not to give equal rights and equal opportunities to all, that is called discrimination. Okay. Okay, and if we prevent someone to take part in particular activity or particular task, then it is also called discrimination. Okay, and discrimination can take place because of religion, because of caste, because of region, languages. So many reasons are there for discrimination. Okay, students. Okay, like we have read the story of Samir Ek and Samir Do. Okay, so from that story, we will come to know that the discrimination can also be based on finance. Okay, that is called financial inequality. Okay, financial inequality, because both were financially, both of them financial backgrounds were different. Okay, so we can say the discrimination between the rich and poor are getting not any of the resource, while rich people are getting all the resources. Okay, and sometimes the culture and religion also be the part of the discrimination or the type of inequality. Okay, that's all about the students, that's all about the inequality and discrimination. Okay, I think you understood this topic. Okay, now student, next topic we are going to take is on being discriminated against. On being discriminated against. Okay, like students, in this topic we are going to talk about the various professions. What we are going to talk about? Various professions. Okay, we are going to talk about the different kinds of profession and how discrimination can take the form of the profession also. Okay, discrimination can also be possible on the grounds of different occupation. Okay, like different people are practicing their different professions. Okay, different occupations like teaching, carpentry, pottery, weaving, fishing, farming, etc. Okay, but among all these, some of the occupations are more valued while some valued less. For example, in our society, the sweepers are coming and they sweep in our society. Okay, so we don't give much value to the sweepers. Okay, but we give more value to the doctors, we give more value to the engineers. Okay, we give more value to the artists, but we are not giving more value to the we are not giving such values to the like barber or sweepers or cobbler. Okay, to those people we ignore these kind of people. Such type of people we ignored. Okay, since time immemorial. Okay, since time immemorial we are ignoring all these types of people. Okay, because they belong to the lower caste, and apart from this their profession is also such a lower profession, like washerman also. Okay, so we are not giving them the proper values, we are not valued their work. Okay, as all the values should get the equal work, all the values should get equal work, because washerman is there and he is performing his duties very well. That's why we can wear such a good clothes. Okay, we can wear such a washable and fresh clothes. Okay, so and sweepers clean our society. Okay, so they keep the atmosphere healthy and clean, so we cannot ignore the sweepers also. They are also the necessary part of our society, they are also the essential part of our society. Okay, so we should not ignore anyone's work or anyone's duty. We cannot judge anyone's work less or more. Okay, so these people belong to lower caste, and for these lower caste people the special term Dalit has been used. Which term used, student? Dalit. Okay, DALIT, Dalit term is used. And Dalit is a term which says that the particular person belong to lower caste. It means lower caste people considered as Dalit. Okay, and sometimes they are also called as untouchables. Okay, sometimes they are also called as untouchables. Okay, because they are exceptional from the society. Okay, they are exempted from the society, so they are called untouchables also. And Dalit means also the one who have been broken. Okay, Dalit means also the person ones who have been broken. Okay, they are also known as the Dalit. Okay, so these thing is all about the Dalit and the lower caste people. Okay, but in today's time the Dalits are known as the SC, yani ki scheduled caste. Okay, the government referred this Dalit as a scheduled caste. Okay, SC, it means they belong to lower caste. Okay, students, have you clearly understood all these things? Okay, so now stay tuned, student, and wait for the next video. Okay, I will come out with the next video. Thank you so much, students.